How's it going, guys? It's Noah here from Demon Speed Motorsports, and I'm super excited to talk to you guys today about a new product that we're carrying from Porsche Motorsports. This product we hope can turn, what starts as a stressful weekend at the track, something that makes it a little bit easier. So these are full radiator assemblies for the Cup car. This one here is for a 992 Cup. We also offer them for 991.1 and .2. And so what this helps out in is, it happens to the best of us. We come in going a little bit too hot, smash up our front end, and all of a sudden we need a new radiator. And instead of dealing with the radiator, all the brackets, all the hoses, this product kind of takes all the stress and thinking out of it. So it comes as a whole unit. As you can see here, it's got the radiator, as well as all the hoses and brackets that you need. That way, you smash it up, you just unclip the old one, pop it out, pop the new one back in, and you're ready to go. And this way, it can save you time and money at the track, because it's actually a little bit cheaper than buying the radiator and all the brackets alone. So we have these for, like I said, 991 and 992 Cup cars in stock, ready to go. So next time you bang your car up at the track, we're here to make it a little bit easier.